In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your email address on Notion step by step. This is useful if you're switching jobs, updating your login email, or simply want to move your Notion account to a new address without losing any of your workspaces, pages, or data. The process is simple, but if you miss a step, it can get confusing, especially when verification is involved. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on either desktop or the web. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your workspace name with a small arrow next to it. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This opens the main workspace menu where you can access settings and account options. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open the Notion Settings panel, where you can control everything related to your account, preferences, and security. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple Notion workspaces. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click on Account. This section contains your personal account information, including your current email address, login methods, and account security options. Now, inside the Account section, locate the option that says Change Email. Click on Change Email to begin the process. Notion will now prompt you to confirm that you want to update the email address associated with your account. You'll see another Change Email button appear. Click on it again to proceed. At this point, Notion wants to make sure the request is secure and that you actually own the new email address you're switching to. Next, enter the new email address you want to use for your Notion account. Double-check the spelling here, because if you enter the wrong email, you won't receive the verification code. Once you've entered the correct email address, click on Send Verification Code. Notion will now send a verification code to the new email address you just entered. Open your email inbox, find the message from Notion, and copy the verification code. Then return to Notion and paste the code into the verification field. After you submit the code, Notion will confirm that your email address has been successfully updated. From this point on, your new email will be used to log in, receive notifications, and manage your account. That's it. You've successfully changed your email address on Notion without losing any data or access to your workspaces. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.